Right, hope everyone's doing alright. Just wanted to show you a quick idea, you may have seen this before, for a pocket survival saw just out of a normal chainsaw chain. So, got a load of these chainsaw chains, just from work, sharpen them, but one of them had snapped. And I thought, well, I wonder if you could actually use just a normal chainsaw for a pocket saw. The only difference is you can, because these are only sharp on one side, they will essentially only cut one side. Now I've seen some of these where they've got, I don't know if you can see it, but this is a sharp part here, and it's only on one side. And I've seen some of these where the chain is on the other side, if you know what I mean, so it cuts both ways. These will still work, but only if you use a certain technique. And this is one thing I thought is vital. I've put these loops on just for the sake of it. You don't really need these, but it's better to tape up a section of handle so you can get a really good grip. Not try to do anything like this. Not try to do anything at all like this. It's just too hard on your hands. But as long as you've got two handles, it's not actually too hard. I've got a piece of yew here, seasoned and really hard. We'll cut it and see how it goes. Now, this is a good chain, or it was a good chain, a steel chain. Alright, so I'm going to cut it so that when I come with my right hand, that's cutting, pulling back to the left isn't going to cut. So what I'm going to do, get it where I want it, and I'm going to pull it with my right and just kind of guide it with my left. And then I'm just going to bring it back round I'll just zoom that in so you can see it better. This is a good chain, like I said, but you could definitely use this for a pocket or a survival saw, as long as you use the right technique. So I want the cutting action in my right. Yeah, it does work, but just got to use the right technique. So pulling a lot with the right, if you're right-handed, guiding it round, and then bringing it back round with the left, and really giving it with the right. Pull it back with the left, and really give it with the right. And that is how you can use just a normal chainsaw chain as a survival saw, pocket chainsaw, whatever. You may have seen other people do this already, but that's my idea. Right, anyway, cheers for watching. Hope